Friends, people are earning millions of dollars from this niche. I've already made 2 to 3 videos in this same niche because in 2026, this type of content is going viral. Just look at this channel. Simple Actually. This channel has 292,000 subscribers with only 91 videos, and it's just 21 months old. That means the growth is extremely fast. Yes, friends, look at this channel. It has millions of views, and it is based in the United States, which means it is earning millions of dollars. Now look at the popular videos. The highest viewed video has 1.9 million views, the second has 1.5 million views, the third reached 1.3 million views, and the fourth video has 1.1 million views. That means many of their videos reach millions of views. So friends, today we are going to use free AI tools to create AI images and videos. 100% free. I promise you, no credits required, just simple login. You get unlimited image and video generation with no restrictions. Friends, please support us. We truly need your support. So let's start the video without wasting your time, because time is very important. Let's go! Now first, come to ChatGPT and log in. Here, we will create image prompts, video prompts, and motion prompts, all in one place, my friends. We actually don't need motion prompts right now, but I'll still teach you how to generate motion prompts in this video. So, friends, first go back to the channel, copy the channel link, then come back to ChatGPT, paste it here, and ask, "Please analyze this channel." In just seconds, ChatGPT will give you the full history of the channel, like a complete story. The strategy, what type of videos they make, and how this channel is generating content. Now it's time to generate image prompts. Simply go back to the channel and look at the thumbnails. Choose the thumbnails that look the best. Take 2 or 3 screenshots of those thumbnails. Then come back to ChatGPT and ask, "I want the same type of character in every image. Please give me a safe, consistent character and provide 10 image prompts with the same character style." Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you one locked, consistent character prompt, along with 10 high-quality image prompts to generate images. Now, after generating images, it's time to generate motion prompts. Just ask, "Please give me video motion prompts." ChatGPT will instantly give you 10 motion prompts, perfectly matched to your video. So, friends, this is how we generate image prompts and video prompts. In the text-to-video tool, we don't even need images. We can generate videos directly from text. But I'll still teach you how to generate images as well. So, friends, let's go! Now it's time to generate AI images or videos using a free AI tool, my friends. The link is in the description. Simply visit this website called DesignArena. This is one of the best free AI tools to generate AI images and videos, 100% free. Just log in using your Google ID. That's it, my friends. Now simply click on Start Session. Once you enter the tool, look at the interface. It looks super clean, amazing, and very professional, my friends. Scroll down and you'll see many powerful tools, like website tools, image generation, video creation, logo design, image editing, game development, 3D design builders, web apps, and much more. Honestly, it's packed with features. They also provide access to GLM 4.5, ChatGPT 5, and Sonnet 4. Now let's generate an image. Click on Generate Image. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the main consistent character prompt. Paste it into the prompt box in DesignArena, or copy the full image prompt and simply click Generate. It usually takes 2 to 3 minutes to generate the image. Now wait, my friends. And boom! The result looks amazing. You'll notice they don't use just one model. In the next image, copy the prompt again, paste it into DesignArena, and click Generate. Wait for a moment, and you'll see rounds 1 to 5 at the top. That means they're using 5 different AI models to generate images. Click on Reference Image, then go to Results. Here you can see different models being used, like Grok AI, Seedream, Gemini, and DALL-E 3. Friends, follow the same process for all image generations. Once all images are ready, simply download them or save them to your PC. And that's it, my friends. Simple and powerful. Now it's time to generate text-to-video content, and the best part, it's 100% free, my friends. Please support us. In every video, we always use free tools, my friends. First, go back to the main page of DesignArena. Once you're back on the home page, click on Video. Now we need to generate text-to-video prompts. Go to ChatGPT and ask, "Please give me full video prompts." ChatGPT will give you 10 highly detailed video prompts to generate AI videos. Once all the video prompts are ready, copy the first prompt, go back to DesignArena, paste it into the video generation box, and click Generate. It usually takes 3 to 5 minutes to generate the video. The process is exactly the same as generating images. Nothing changes. Just wait patiently, my friends. And boom! Look at the first video. It looks super clean and professional. If you want model A or B, select it. You can see how each model looks. For example, if you want model B, it looks really nice. Once the first video is ready, simply download it. Now, copy the second prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in the video box, click Generate, wait 4 to 5 minutes, and boom! The second video is ready. It looks amazing. Follow the same process for all videos. When all videos are ready, simply download them or save them to your PC, my friends. And that's it. All videos are ready, professional, and completely free. Now it's time to edit the video. Today, we are going to use CapCut, but you can also use Filmora or classic ChatGPT tools, whatever is easy for you. Import all the videos and place them on the timeline. Adjust the video to a 16:9 ratio and make sure everything fits perfectly. You can also add transitions, background music, and sound effects to make the video more engaging. Adjust the colors, brightness, or darkness to give your video a polished look. Once all the editing is done, export the video in 4K resolution. Yes, my friends, I promise, it's all completely free. We used free AI tools to generate AI videos and images, and now we've created a professional, high-quality video. So please, support us by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your support means a lot. Go on, let's make it viral.